Hi guys, I'm a teacher. My name is Andrea Victoria Hernandez. I am from Bogota, Norte de Santander. My name is Andrea Victoria Hernandez. I am 21 years old and I'm gonna be your student and classmate in this semester for the subject English Phonetic. We're gonna spread the Unit 1, Task 1 infography elaborate from my person. For teacher Jennifer Vanessa River, open at this National University School of Education, 6004 2021. This one wanted to the learning biology and school content the biography referring the for unit 1, the reading chapter 1, phonetic and phonology definition, the distribution institution phonetic and phonology English, PP 1, 2. That is the chapter 1. Well, we need to work with that book, right? Moment. Step 2, design an infography using the information of the step 1. The infography must contain the photo step. 1 is definition of phonology. Also, describe the integration feature. I give example. The definition of phonology. Also, this kind of supramental feature, I give example. 3, the difference between the phonetic and phonology. That's just the list of my infography in Canva, right? When I spray my from the difference between phonetic and phonology. Well, that's my infography, right? And one moment. Right. Sorry. English phonetic, phonetic. In the side description on the speed of sound that exists in a language. It represents how they are produced and per se and what acoustic property they have. Therefore, it can be praised as the natural side class. Phonetic emphasis to try the produce physiology involved in the production of sound, describe the way in the which sound are produced and the point at which are articulate. We're gonna spray a little example about the phonology. Thus, we say the phonology short with the phone, right? Plural phonology has H in T, for example, TL in hero, and TN in kitten. In another position has a Kate, right? It's a little imagine about referring to phonetics. Phonology. Phonology deals with the regulation and the government, the phonetic relation of the sound, the word in the English language or another language. Remember the phonetic of phonology. That's that topic not just in English because we need to learn phonology and phonetic also in French, Portuguese, Spanish, Chinese, whatever it is. Examine and extend to extend a system of robust distribution learning and to a particular language. They seek to determine how the element of whose abstract system became and repeat day-to-day phonology. Actually, the likeness of station of the sound in particular counts, right? Now I'm going to explain the difference between the phonetic and phonology. Study phonetic, study the sound. The sound are concrete. This means that through the phonemes there is a specific pronunciation, and so are unlimited. Okay? Because phonetic depends every person. And phonology study phonemes. The phonetic are abstract. This means the sound is intentional. The phonemes are an equal model the eight languages that belong to single-coded or general language system. Phonemes from the codes and result system, right? Well, after that, the stage 3 say, come back to learning environment unit 1 again and read the chapter 2, the making of the speech sound. Well, remember, moment, chapter 3 is that, making of the speech sound. Introduction phonetic and phonetic English. Well, step 4. Basic to the reading of the three show 3 English sound and describe the articulation board and the pronunciation and the period of the articulation in order to understand the vocal strap system. For instance, I choose the phoneme B. The articulation board the producer are upper C as a lift. The pre-articulation is labial data info about you selection the photo of this activity so that no English sound will repair. Example number 1 is phoneme T. The articulation board is the production the garden about Mora God, that here, right? The period articulation of the own well on its own vocal folds. Example 2 is phoneme sh. The articulation board the production are the glottis and the vocal fold. The period articulation on the vocal fold. In the examples 3 and the last example is the phoneme B. B. B have a little vibration. B. The articulation board is produced are the narrow glottis, and the vocal glottis held together. Here. The present articulation in the of the large that, right? Well, Stefan gives mainly fair back to the lecturers may and take the structure of the paper and add it to the final document. Well, guys, thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed my little explication about the difference between the phonology and phonetic. And thank you very much.